اتكلم مصري. Speak Egyptian Arabic. Let's learn a few ways to say good morning, how to respond, as well as a few phrases about the morning. Let's start with the classic صباح الخير. صباح الخير. This one literally means morning of goodness. To respond, you can simply say صباح النور. صباح النور, which translates to morning of light. Another common variation of صباح الخير is صباح الفل. صباح الفل, morning of Arabian jasmine. We also often use variations that are somewhat informal and express how we feel. For example, I can say صباح الجمال. صباح الجمال, morning of beauty. This would just reflect that I'm sensing the beauty in the world or something. صباح الورد, morning of flowers. If I feel that my morning is full of flowers. Someone may even say something like صباح الزفت, morning of tar.
صباح الزفت.
That's not at all nice to say, but it shows that the person is very unhappy with how their morning is starting. Let's now take a look at another informal way to say good morning in Egyptian Arabic. نهارك أبيض. نهارك أبيض. Your daytime is white.
صباحك عسل. نهارك ابيض عرباوي.
This may be also close to have a nice day. And by wishing someone a white day, it means that you hope their day to have light, because you don't want your daytime to be dark. A common response to this greeting would be نهارك زي الفل. Your day is like Arabian jasmine. And subscribing to the channel would be as good as Arabian jasmine. Now let's take a look at phrases about the morning. رقم واحد. Ironically, the first one is تصبح على خير. This is how we say good night. تصبح على خير. But تصبح means I hope you wake up to good things, or more literally, I hope you reach the morning in goodness. رقم اتنين, الصباح رباح. The morning is profitable. We say this when someone wants to do something late at night. It means it's better to do this in the morning. الصباح رباح. For example, يلا ننام دلوقتي ونكمل بكرة الصبح. الصباح رباح. يلا ننام دلوقتي ونكمل بكرة الصبح. الصباح رباح. Let's go to sleep now and continue tomorrow morning. The morning is profitable. I should actually say this to myself. I'm shooting this video now in the middle of the night. At the end of the night actually. رقم 3, من الصبح. من الصبح. This can be used literally. أنا ما كلتش حاجة من الصبح. I haven't eaten anything since the morning. أنا ما كلتش حاجة من الصبح. It can also be used metaphorically. إحنا قاعدين مستنيين من الصبح. So it doesn't have to mean that we've been literally waiting since the morning. إحنا قاعدين مستنيين من الصبح. One thing though, the word صباح is فصحى, but we still use it in some phrases such as صباح الخير or الصباح رباح. But in Egyptian Arabic, we refer to the morning as الصبح, not الصباح. Thank you so much for watching. Stay engaged to get our latest updates. We have a movie club and a reading club coming up in March. Watch this video for more details.